Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about your topic, that is, why do we need to cook food? Right? See, we have discussed that food act as fuel for our body. Like we get energy from food. Right? Food is helping in living. Right? Food is helping us in growing, and it is making us healthy. Right? We get all the energy required by the body to do various activities from food. Right? And the five main type of nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Right? We have discussed all of the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in our previous lectures. Right? But your next topic is, why do we need to cook food? Right? See, you all eat food, right? For example, your fruits, vegetables, rice, right? All these foods, can you eat it raw? Likewise, see, if the potato is there, right, you take that potato out from that plant, and can you eat it as it is? No. See, some foods cannot be eaten raw, whereas some foods can be eaten raw. For example, carrot. See, carrot can also be eaten as raw, right? And for example, radish, right? Tomato also, you use it in your salad, right? Cucumber also, it is used in salad also, right? And your fruits, right? Mango, apple, papaya, these all are eaten raw, right? But can you eat cereals like, for example, rice, right? And pulses, right? Can you eat them raw? No, we cannot eat them raw. There is this need to cook this food. See, why there is this need to cook this food? So that the food becomes soft and our body will be able to chew it. Right? So, food is need to be cooked so that it becomes soft and chewy. And to make the food edible and tasty, we need to cook food. See, potato, we cannot eat potato raw, right? When we cook that potato and add some salt and spices in it, it becomes soft and chewy and also very tasty and healthy, right? So to make the food edible and tasty, we need to cook food. See, also you get the food from the soil, right? And there is this need to kill the germs. See, it contains some germs also, right? So to wash it properly and to kill the germs and bacteria, we need to cook food at high temperature. See, at high temperature, the germs and bacteria get killed so that the food becomes healthy. So, to kill the germs, food is needed to be cooked. See, when you cook food, what are the tips that you use so that your food becomes healthy? Right? See, you are always told that do not cook food at high temperature or it should not be overcooked. Why is that? Food should not be overcooked so that the nutrients in that food can be retained. For example, your carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals can be retained in that food. See, if you cook it or if you overcook it, those nutrients will be destroyed. That's why there is this need to cook the food properly. Okay, do not overcook it. Okay. Next is, see, when you make vegetables or fruits, you are told that you have to wash it properly, right? So that the dirt present on those vegetables and fruits can be removed. So there is this need to wash your vegetables and fruits properly. See, food should be cooked in enough water, right? See, if you put a large amount of water, the nutrients from the water will be taken out, right? And when you take out that water, nutrients will also be thrown out, right? So we need to retain those nutrients, so that it is required to cook the food in enough water. Do not use excess of water. See, if you're talking about the water, right, you have seen that water is tasteless, right? It is also transparent. See, but when you cook the vegetables, right, you have seen the water changes its color. And when you sip that water, you will see a change in the taste of that water. Why is that change in the taste of water? See, it is because the when you cook the vegetables in the water, the nutrients come out from vegetables and get into the water. That's why there is this change in the taste of the water. Okay, that water contains the nutrients of the vegetables. Okay, so that is why you are always told that do not use excess of water, or if you are boiling the vegetables in the water, just don't throw that water. You should use that water in making vegetables or in making other things. Okay, or either you can drink it so that you can get the proper nutrients. Okay class, this will be all for today. Thank you for listening.